Hi students, today we will discuss bridging gap activity for worksheet 2, 5th class. Write the action words related to picture 4 given in your textbook. What is the picture? This is the picture. Here we write down the action words related to that picture. Okay, once you observe this picture, what is going on in this picture? All children are playing. Okay, here some elders are sitting on veranda, like and they are sitting. Okay, sitting here also. And what is she doing? She is separating, and she is waving a garland with flowers. And mother is decorating her daughter's plan with gorentaco. Here two girls are talking, and some boys are standing, and they are watching the games. Here one boy is have here. They are watching games. And what is she is doing? Skipping. And one boy is holding a what is this one game thing holding in her hand. Okay, and she is running. Okay, these are the games. Here one boy is spinning. What is spinning? Top game, that is called spinning. Okay, we are write down here the action words related to that picture. Okay, what are they doing? Playing. All are playing different games. And waving. One aunt is waving flowers, waving a garland with flowers. And mother is decorating her daughter's farm with gorentaco, decorating. And one boy is holding one game thing in his hand, that is called holding. They are talking. Two girls are talking, and women also talking. And some children are watching games. And sitting, the elders are sitting on a veranda. And one girl is playing skipping. And and spinning means the playing of top in that game, that is spinning. Somebody is standing and running. And one auntie, she is separating stones. Separating Okay, here I wrote some action words. Okay, what are they? Once you read out it. Playing, waving, decorating, holding, talking, watching, sitting, skipping, spinning, standing, running, separating. These are the action words related to that picture. Okay, write sentences combining the phrases. Here, here, one side at the table have some words and in this side they are the action. Here is naming words. Here is action things. And we write down the sentences combining of these two naming words and action words dependent. Okay, 5 boys. What are they doing here? 5 boys in this picture. Okay, you see here there are 5 boys. They are playing marbles. Which game? Playing marbles. Here 5 boys. Where is the playing marbles? 5 boys. Which game they are playing? Playing marbles. Okay? Okay. And girls. What is the girls doing? What are the girls doing? Here girls is playing hopscotch. Girls playing hopscotch. Girls playing hopscotch. Okay, a woman. A woman is what is she doing? Waving garland. A woman, girl. Okay, sorry here. 5 boys are. We can write here. Girls are. Woman is waving garland. I forgot the helping word. Sorry. 3 boys. What are they doing? They are 3 boys are here playing tops. Okay. 3 boys are playing tops. 3 boys are playing with tops. Okay. Here a boy is holding a catapult. What is he holding? Catapult. A boy is holding a catapult. Okay, these are the sentences combining with action things and naming words. Okay, students, thank you for watching. Once again I read it out. Here I make some mistake. You correction it. 5 boys are playing marbles. Girls are playing hopscotch. A woman is waving garland. 3 boys are playing with the tops. A boy is holding a catapult. These are the sentences. Thank you for watching.